If you've ever been typing in Microsoft Word and suddenly the insert key starts pasting text when you didn't mean to, this quick tutorial is going to help you turn that off in just a minute. This is a simple fix, but it can save you a lot of frustration, especially if you accidentally hit the insert key while working on an important document. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Word tutorials like this. Now, let's get into it. To disable the insert key for paste in Word, first open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, look to the top left corner and click File. This will open the Backstage menu, where all of Word's main settings are stored. From there, go down and click Options. This opens the Word Options window, which is where you can customize how Word behaves. In the Word Options window, look at the menu on the left side and click Advanced. This section includes a lot of editing and clipboard settings, so don't worry if it looks crowded at first. Just scroll down through the advanced options until you find the section labeled Cut, Copy, and Paste. This is the area where Word controls several paste-related behaviors. Once you find that section, look for the setting that says Use the Insert key for paste. By default, this option may be enabled, which means pressing Insert can trigger a paste action in certain situations. To turn that off, simply uncheck the box next to Use the Insert key for paste. After that, click OK at the bottom of the Word Options window to save your changes. Now the Insert key should no longer act as a paste shortcut inside Word. If you want to test it, go back to your document and press the Insert key to make sure it no longer pastes text unexpectedly. And that's it, you've successfully disabled the Insert key for paste in Word. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make editing documents much smoother and help prevent accidental pasting. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy Microsoft Word fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.